good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders and students all around the world. This is FX Passion broadcasting you live on YouTube. And this is Forex Trading Course 101. Remember everybody, trading is a learnable skill when we learn in the correct way the three pillars, right? What are the three pillars? M stands for the market, S stands for the strategy, and T stands for the big one is the trader. And talking about the trader, what do champion traders say? Champion traders say, I am not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. And this is of course a quote from Mark Douglas. Hello Lucas, how are you? And my 50 cents here: when the market scares you, don't be afraid to do the right thing. Right? What are the right things to do? Follow the rules, follow the concepts, enter one more time, don't change your stop loss. those would be some of the right things to do. And remember, 90% of traders lose money in the forex market worldwide. The webinars are not trading or investment advice. The webinars are for educational purposes only. And for homeworks and questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and you can follow me on TradingView if you want, everybody. That being said, so trading Fibonacci numbers, finding the original Fibonacci in an uptrend. So I'm going to show you what currency pairs are in an uptrend, meaning we have an up Fibonacci, right? So open and okay, let's start with AUD CAD, right? AUD CAD, just give it a second. Down, weekly, 4 hour daily, weekly. Okay, now this is the monthly chart. What do you say, everybody? Do we have an up Fibonacci or do we have a down Fibonacci? This is AUD CAD monthly chart. Hello Weber, how are you? Everybody, are we in an up wave, down wave? Remember, I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. So today is trading Fibonacci numbers, finding the original Fibonacci in an uptrend. Are we in an uptrend on AUD CAD monthly chart? You can say yes we are, you can say no, you can say no we are not. What do you say? Teacher Lucas, Teacher Weber, what do you say? Are we in an uptrend on AUD CAD monthly chart? So we can start drawing the original Fibonacci in an uptrend. You can say yes, you can say no, you can say I don't know, right? What do you think, everybody? And the up Fibonacci is going to look like something like this, right? Fibonacci retracement, edit levels, color, this should be red and this should be red. There you go. 618503824. Can you consider it was in the lower band? I don't know. No, you cannot consider. So the correct answer is no, everybody. AUD CAD it's not. Alright. AUD CAD is not. Let's find another one. AUD CHF. So AUD CAD, common sense, right? If we don't have an up Fibonacci on AUD CAD, then what do we have? on AUD CAD? Everybody? AUD CHF monthly chart. What about AUD CHF? Do we have an up Fibonacci on AUD CHF? Everybody? Up Fibonacci, uptrend. And where is the clone? One more down in here. Yes, very good. Okay, so AUD CHF is 1. And we learned already the rules of the ABCD swing. So, talking about the Fibonacci, right? We are going to take the Fibonacci retracement tool. This is our A. This is our B. Okay, now this is text. A in here and text. B up in here. AB. So far we have the C down in here. ABC, right? ABC. And we have the projected, the extension up in here. Okay, everybody, so this is AUD CHF monthly chart, right? Okay. Now, finding the original Fibonacci in an uptrend, everybody. If the Fibonacci on the monthly chart starts with this low, where do you think we are going to start our up Fibonacci on the weekly chart and on the daily chart? Passion, can you repeat please? Yes, sir. If our Fibonacci from the monthly chart starts in here with this low, where do you think we are going to start our Fibonacci from the weekly and the daily time frame? Exactly, somebody is posting on the other streaming platform from the same level. Exactly, very good. So let's open AUD CHF, right? Indicators out, AUD CHF. So this is the weekly chart and we are going to do the same, right? Delete, 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 let's delete, let's delete, let's delete, delete. Okay, there you go. So we're going to start from the same point, everybody. And this is going to be our A. Right? Tell me, everybody, where is our B? Is this our B or is the second circle our B? Is the first circle our B or is the second circle our B? Edit label to... Which one is our B? Learn to trade, hello sir. Which one is our B? The first circle or the second? Hello Allah, how are you? Which one is our circle? The first one or the second one? Lucas says first, exactly. The first one is our B because the B is the first high as soon as possible after the A. So A to B, right? A to B. We're going to compress the chart. A to B. Now remember the horizontal lines, right? Horizontal lines, something like this, something like this. A, B, right? A, B. Everybody, which one is our C point? Is This white candle, our C, first circle is the second text out, is the second circle our C, or is the third circle our C? Which one is our C, everybody? First circle, second circle, third circle. Which one is our C? 1, 2, 3. What do you say? The A is the first low, is the lowest low, is the absolute low, is the starting point of some pattern. This is the A. The B, whoops, the B is the first high as soon as possible after the A. Who remembers the rules about the C? What is the C in an upswing? So is circle number 1 the C? Is circle number 2 the C? Or is circle number 3 the C? I'm going to push your ears today, everybody. If you are not typing in the chat, this means that you are not studying, right? Those webinars are not going to help if you are not applying the knowledge. Happy Monday! Happy Monday! Passion is pushing our ears already. Happy Monday! Right? Happy Monday, you know? It's true. Those webinars are not going to help you if you don't study the charts and if you don't apply the knowledge that you are hopefully gathering in here. Learn to trade number 1. The first after B. Very good. Yes, sir. The C is the lowest point, not necessarily a low, inside the AB boundary before the market hits the appropriate D extension. So this is our C. The white candle is our C. Because the white candle after the B, you know, the B is the central candle, the white candle after the B is the lowest point inside the AB boundary after the B, and it's not necessarily a low. Very good, Lucas, very good, learn to trade, excellent. So this is the C. Now green goes to green, right? And this high up in here is our D, right? Because the D must be a high. So we are going to readjust our Fibonacci. A goes to C, right? Delete this one, and B goes to D. Fibonacci retracement tool. This one, the white one, right? There you go. A goes to C, B goes to D, and everybody, talking about the Fibonacci on the weekly chart, everybody, should we go long or should we go short? Should we go long or should we go short? And we learned about the trend lines, right? So we have a down trend line, this is one, and we have another down trend line like this, and we have another trend line like this. There you go. Question number 1, should we go long, should we go short on the Fibonacci AUD/CHF? Question number 2, where you should put the stop loss. Where should you put the take profit, and should we enter the market, yes or no, based on the knowledge that we have gathered from before. See everybody how 1 plus 1 equals 5. No, 1 plus 1 equals 2. No. 1 plus 1 equals 5. in the financial markets, it's a probability game. Right? What is the orange one? Everybody? Long serve, very good. What is the orange one? Do you think this is a high probability trade, everybody? Now, if we enter right now, where should we put our stop loss? Should we put our stop loss below the C, or should we put our stop loss below the A? Everybody. Or should we put our stop loss below the orange one? What is the orange one? Who knows? Who knows what is the orange one? So we can enter the market right now, going long, up structure trend, very good, yes sir. It's an up market wave, right? Let's make a poll, everybody. Who in here wants to go long right now, and where to put the stop loss? Everybody. And remember, if you risk one, I'm going to go after 2, right? Is this a good trade, everybody? Talking about the Fibonacci? Is this a good trade? Don't be shy, everybody. There is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong. Do you want to enter right now? Teacher Lucas, Teacher Learn to Trade, Teacher Ala, Teacher Nueber, do you want to enter right now? And if the answer is yes, where would you put your stop loss? Do you think this is a good trade? You have AUDCHF weekly chart, you have the original Fibonacci pointing up, we have the C, you know, we have 2 bullish candles from the weekly, right? We have the market wave going up. Is this a good trade? I want to go long and my stop loss below the lower structure. What is lower structure? So I'm going to enter in this trade, everybody, buy the market. I'm not going to calculate anything, we're not going to waste time, okay? I'm just going to buy. So we are in the market, okay? We bought. Now what about the stop loss? What is lower structure, below the lower structure? Are you talking about the orange line? Are you talking about the Fibonacci, the A? What are you talking about? And don't be shy, everybody, we are here to learn, okay? Don't be afraid, oh my god, what if I put in the chat something and I'm going to say something wrong and I'm going to make a mistake, you know? There are no mistakes, just learning. Okay, and in the end I'm going to show you we have 2 new features, everybody, starting from this week, because some of you send emails, you know, can I trade with you, can I trade with you, can I trade with you? So we invented something, okay? I'm going to show you at the end of the lesson what is new. Hello MHB, how are you? Yes, long sir, stop loss below structure. What is structure? What structure? Are you talking about the structure of the Fibonacci, or are you talking about the structure of the market wave? Which one? Orange below the last higher low. Learn to trade. What is the stop loss below structure? Are you talking about the structure of the market wave, or are you talking about the structure of the Fibonacci? Which one? And of course, if you like those lessons, please give it a thumb up so we can continue with the project. Wait for 2 candles, says Allah. To go long or short, Allah? To go long or short? And teacher Allah, wait for 2 candles, why? You are the teacher, we are the student, teacher Allah. We are asking you, teacher Allah, why should we wait for 2 candles? What's the logic behind? Learn to trade, and Lucas and everybody else. Learn to trade, Lucas and everybody else. Okay? If you enter the market right now, okay, and if you put your stop loss below the market wave, question, what pattern are you trading? Learn to trade in Lucas. Learn to trade in Lucas. If you enter the market right now, and if you put the stop loss below this market wave structural low, what pattern are you trading? What pattern are you going long on? Allah says market going down now. On what time frame? Allah? To go long, very good. Market going down now. On what time frame is the market going down now? Oh, I got you. This is the answer. I'm going to wait for new 2 more candles because the market is going down. Okay, thank you very much. Makes sense? Yes, sir. Learn to trade, Lucas and everybody else. If you enter the market right now going long, and we did, this, me too. Me, FX Passion, me too. I entered right now. But if you put the stop loss below the structural low of the market wave, what pattern are you trading? Because me, as FX Passion, I'm going to put my stop loss below the A. MHV market is not going down, it's retracing. It's the same. Question, sir, which is more stronger, market wave or Fibonacci? It doesn't really matter, because you entered into a trade and you are, as a trader, Lucas, you need to decide. You are in the market, decide where to put the stop loss. Everybody, learn to trade. You are learning to trade, right? If you put the stop loss below the structural low, what pattern are you trading? Lucas 2. And I'm going to answer to you, Lucas. Which one is stronger, the market wave or the Fibonacci? They are more or less. Sometimes the market is going to break the market wave, but not the Fibonacci. Sometimes the market is going to break the Fibonacci, but not the market wave. They are more or less. Come on, everybody. Happy Monday. If you put the stop loss below the orange low, what pattern are you trading? Learn to trade in Lucas. Is this a good trade, everybody? Exactly. If you put the stop loss down in here, you are not trading the Fibonacci's, and this stop loss is wrong. This is the wrong stop loss, everybody. Oh, but why? Because we are trading the Fibonacci sequence. That's why we are not trading the market wave. Okay, exactly, the market wave pattern, exactly. So we are talking about the Fibonacci rules, A, B, C, D, you know. Do you understand, everybody, that if you are trading the Fibonacci, and if you cross-reference the Fibonacci with different patterns, you must not mix the patterns. If you have enough capital, stop loss goes below the A. If you don't have enough capital, then the stop loss goes below the C. Yes, but there is no yes, but. If you are trading the Fibonacci's, beginner traders, learn to trade. If you are trading the Fibonacci's, you must not mix patterns. Are we clear? If we are not clear, don't come crying to me, you know. Can I work with you? Can I work for you? No, of course not. Why not? You are not skilled yet, you know. You are mixing patterns. Yes, but there is no yes, but. You can ask teacher Tari. Trading is relatively simple. You know, it's not easy, but it's simple. We are trading the Fibonacci. This is the stop loss, the correct stop loss, it's below the A. If we don't have enough capital, the stop loss goes below the C. But if we put the stop loss inside the AB boundary, based on the statistics, we are increasing our chance of being stopped out for 80%. By 80%. Oh, I'm mixing the patterns. Yes, you are. But this is good stuff, you know, you are learning. Don't mix apples with bananas. Exactly. So everybody, in my opinion, this is a good trade. I'm in this market for real, live account, real trade, okay, and stop loss is down in here. So where is the close position? No, exposure, use, summary position, long, short, stop loss, okay, add stop loss, just graphically, right, where are we? Just graphically 6.1, 0.61, right? Submit. And okay, great, this is our stop loss. Now let's talk about the daily Fibonacci. It's all the same. Today, let's delete this one, delete the indicators. We are not there yet, right? Bye indicators. We are not yet there, so, and delete. Hopefully the programmers of JForex are going to build a button to erase everything, right? If not, out, 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 out. There you go. Now we are on the daily chart, everybody. Okay. Now this is our A. Black one like this and like this. Okay, this is our A. This is our A in here. Which one is our B, everybody? Is the circle number 1 our B? Is the circle number 2 our B? Is the circle number 3 our B? Or is the circle number 4 our B? Which one is our B? Circle number 1, circle number 2, circle number 1, circle number 2, circle number 3, circle number 4. Which one is our B? And talking about mixing apples with bananas, everybody, check your trading and try to figure out, you know, if things are not going well for you as a trader. Check your trading and try to figure out if you are maybe mixing the patterns. Because if you are mixing the patterns, this is something that you need to correct. Learn to trade number 1, yes sir. So you learn this, everybody. This is our B. This is our B in here. Fibonacci retracement tool. Something like this. A to B, there you go, A to B. Text, this is our C, you learn this, everybody. Green goes to green, and this is our D, right? The D must be a high. So this is our projected D extension, the D must be a high. There you go, and then A goes to C. A goes to C, and B goes to D, right? B goes to D, up in here, and we have a new Fibonacci sequence. So Fibonacci retracement tool, A to B, right? B to C, and our D extension, the projected one, is up in here. The D must be a high. Ala says 1, yes sir. D must be a high. As soon as possible when the market breaks the projected level. So one more time. A goes to C. And B goes to D up in here. Right? This is our B. This is the high. After the market hit the green D extension. Fibonacci retracement tool, A to B, one more time, and let's see the market, one more time, let's see the market, let's see the market, okay. Which one is the C, everybody? Is the first circle the C? Is the second circle the C, or is the third circle the C? Which one is the C? Which one is the C, everybody? Is the first circle? Is the circle number 1? Is the circle number 2? Or is the circle number 3? Which one is the C? What do you say? Which one is the C, everybody? What do you think? And don't be shy, there is no right or wrong, you know, you can make mistakes, you are going to make mistakes for sure. Ala says 3, very good, yes sir. What is the C? The C is the deepest point, not necessarily a low, inside the AB boundary after the B, before the market hits the appropriate extension. Learn to trade 3, yes sir. Lucas 3, yes sir. Okay, and one more time, this is our projected D extension, and because this is our first high, as soon as possible after the market breaks the green level, so this is our D. Okay, and one more time, we are going to adjust. A goes to C, A goes to C, and B goes to D one more time, right? B goes to D. Fibonacci retracement tool, we're going to connect A to B, and this is our latest Fibonacci, everybody, from the daily chart. A, B, C, down in here, D, right? Tell me, everybody, we entered the market right now, right? We entered here, okay? Where is our take profit? Everybody? At what level is our take profit? Is our take profit at the green level? Is our take profit at the blue level? Or is our take profit at the red level? What do you think? Green, blue, red. What do you say? And ABCD, 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 very good. MHB says red. Well, let's check, right? Let's double check, triple check, everybody. If the market hit the red, and something like this, and something like this, and something like this, and something like this, you know. Can you see, everybody, did the market hit the red? Did the market hit the red level? Blue, sir, a la red, MHB red. For the traders who are going to use the Fibonacci, everybody, you need to be very specific and zoom in the charts in order to find out what is true and what is not. Because if you... I mean, there is no right or wrong, right? We are here to learn and nobody's perfect, but if we make those kind of mistakes, then our Fibonacci sequence is going to start lose pips and money. Because we are going to have different, I mean, we are going to draw the sequence on the wrong levels. Does this make sense to you, everybody? Blue didn't touch the red, yes sir. Okay, MHB and Allah, you know, the chart can easily, you know, look at this, you know, if I have my chart like this, then the chart seems that it touched the red, right? So I can easily make a mistake. But if I increase the scale and if I zoom in enough, then I'm going to say that the market didn't hit the red. Do we agree, everybody? Teacher Ala, teacher MHB, the market didn't hit the red? It almost hit the red, but it didn't, right? Okay, great. And one more time, everybody, in the end I'm going to show you two new features, okay? For the traders who are sending emails, you know, can I trade with you? Can I trade with you? We invented something. So blue goes to blue. Yes, understand. Yes, very good. Okay, now this is the risk, right? Below the A. Hopefully, if we have enough money, and if we risk one, we are going after two, right? 1, 2, right? There you go. Okay, everybody? Now here is the question. Is it better to enter from the daily chart, or is it better to enter from the weekly chart? Which one is better? What do you think? If you don't have enough capital, everybody, it's okay. I mean, if we don't have enough capital, the choice, it's obvious, right? I don't have enough capital in my live account, I don't have enough capital on my demo account, so I cannot put the stop loss below the weekly A. So logically, you know, I don't have any chance, you know, I'm going to put the stop loss below the daily A, right? It's still a great trade. I'm going to risk one, and I'm going after 1.5. I mean, I made a mistake, right? Because it's blue, right? Not red. Clone. Blue, right? So if I'm going from the daily, you know, I'm going to risk 1% and I'm going after almost 2, right? It's going to be what? 1.9. But compared to the weekly, you know, if I'm going to risk 1, I'm going, you know, after what? Okay, let's do this again. Give me a second, everybody, so we can lower it, right? 15 pips below the A, there you go. And from this one to this one, clone, and one, and clone, and 2. There you go. So yeah, you know, the daily is going to earn a little bit less, right? But sometimes, you know, this was a great example. Sometimes the market from the daily chart, it is going to hit the red, and then our risk-reward ratio is going to be this one. Just an example today, right? Because the market didn't, but it's going to happen time to time. And here is the question: when you are having two Fibonacci's going up, and risk-reward ratio from the weekly it's 1 versus 2, and from the daily it's 1 versus 1.5, and you can enter both, which one should you enter? Which one should you take? If you want, and it's common sense, right? If we are here to make pips and money, then the logical answer is, well, I'm going to enter the highest risk-reward ratio trade. Okay, everybody, do we agree on this? Does this make sense to you? Now, some of you are advanced students and some of you are going to wait for the counter trend line break, which we learned, right? You don't want to enter yet from the daily chart. You are going to wait for the counter trend line break, which is okay. Just remember, you know, that if you are going to enter at the counter trend line break, then maybe you are going to enter somewhere in here. Oh, why is this important? Because it's risk-reward ratio related. See? If you enter right now, you are going to risk 1 and you are going to go after 1.9. If you wait for the counter trend line break, which is okay, it's not wrong, then you are going to risk 1 and you are going after 1.5. Oh, why is that? Well, because the market hit the blue retracement. Blue goes to blue. Hello Mangala, how are you? Don't worry everybody, all the lessons are recorded. You can watch them on the Dukascopy YouTube webinar channel. Okay? So what did we learn today? Well, the daily chart, the daily Fibonacci and the weekly Fibonacci are going to start from the monthly. Okay? Now, I'm going to share with you everybody what Fibonacci's are up. So, AUDCHF is up. You have an up Fibonacci. AUDJPY. AUDJPY monthly chart. You have a down Fibonacci. AUD-USD down Fibonacci, Canada CHF. You have an up Fibonacci on Canada CHF. I'm great, thank you very much. So AUD-CHF, you have an up Fibonacci, everybody. Canada CHF, you have an up Fibonacci. This is your homework, draw your Fibonaccis. Okay. What else? Canada JPY, you have an up Fibonacci, everybody. Euro JPY, you have an up Fibonacci. Canada JPY, up Fibonacci. Euro JPY. Euro New Zealand, up Fibonacci. Euro CAD, up Fibonacci. Canada JPY, up Fibonacci. Everybody. See? And remember, you are going to start, let's make it, we have what? Okay, let's try to clone. Let me open here. Okay, this is the clone chart. There you go. Clone chart monthly. Monthly chart, right? And delete most of the things. Delete. Subbase, delete most of the things, right? Delete. Okay, there you go, everybody. This is Canada JPY monthly chart, right? Where should you start, everybody, your up Fibonacci? What do you think? This is the band, right? More or less. Should you start your up Fibonacci, everybody, from the first circle? Should you start your up Fibonacci from the second circle? Should you start your up Fibonacci from the third circle, or should you start your Fibonacci from the fourth circle? Where should we start? And remember, it's not subjective because we have rules telling us what is an A, what is a B, what is a C, and what is a D. Where should we start our ABCDs? First circle, second circle, third circle, or the fourth circle? From the circle number A, ladder, from the B circle, from the C circle, or from the D circle? Which one? Tony says first. Yes, sir, very good. Start from first circle, but historical data is missing. Can you change your time zone? Sure. Setting zone, preference chart, GMT, right? GMT. There you go. A first, very good everybody. So let's start with the first one. And then I'm going to show you what is new, right? So A to B, we're going to delete this one. And something like this, something like this, something like this. There you go. A to B, B to C, and edit levels, right? So 14 is red, 118 is red. There you go. Not sure about, so blue goes to blue, right? A, B, C, D. Blue goes to, come on, blue goes to blue. And Fibonacci retracement. A goes to C, and B goes to D, right? There you have it, everybody. Which one is our C? Is the first circle or is the second circle our C? And then I'm going to share you what is new, everybody, okay? Which one is the C? Is the first circle or the second circle? This is the original Fibonacci on Canada JPY monthly chart. And guess what, everybody? When you are going to look for the original Fibonacci from the weekly and daily, you should start in here. You should start in here. First circle, second circle. Well, what is the C? The C is the deepest point inside the AB boundary after the B before the market hits the appropriate D extension. So the second circle. Very good. ABC, right? And our D projection is up in here, right? Red goes to red. This market is going to go up and down, but nonetheless, long term is going to hit the red extension. Okay, now what is new? Very briefly, everybody. Some of you, this is not new, this is from a few years ago, you know, you are sending emails, can I trade with you, can I trade with you, can I trade with you? So, what's new is those two. Okay, next level number one is the same. If you want to quicker results and not waste 2, 3, 4 years to figure out the market, you can ask for private lessons of the Forex course 101. Now, next level, number 2, is the professional trader pathway. The text is still the same. If you want consistent result, ask for the Forex course 202. Those two are new. Okay, some of you are advanced, or maybe you are not advanced but you don't like to enroll in a course. So every day from Monday to Friday we have 2 sessions where we look for trade setups. Okay, so this is for you guys who say, oh, can I trade with you? Well, we have 2 sessions every day, Monday, Friday. Tokyo session on Friday, sir? Yes. Friday, Tokyo session, the market is closed, but we are looking at the market and we are looking for setups for Sunday night, Monday morning. Okay? So if this interests you, everybody connect on Skype and we can talk. So this is new. Okay? You are going to see how I trade, what entries am I looking for. I mean, there are different guys already in the group, so you have scalpers, day traders, intraday traders, swing traders. Okay, we are looking for trade setups in those 2 sessions. And the next level again is the same, nothing new, right? If you want to trade for an institution, you can ask for incubation and so on and so on and so on. Okay, everybody, see you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong.